Hello everyone and welcome back to Arctic Retro. So this is just going to be a short video, a little bit of unboxing and show you what I got recently. Not a lot. I have decided to not spend as much money on purchases from now on because, yeah, as you know, everything has gotten expensive also here in Norway, so need to save that money a little bit. In this video I just have a few items, so let's see what I got the last month. This little package made its way from Spain, so I just want to say hello to all my Spanish viewers, and it was sent from a guy called Noel, and I'm pretty sure you know which Noel I mean when I tell you it's from the Noel at Noel's Retro Lab. Yeah, he's just a great guy, and actually I was in the need, if you saw my video about the Spectrum, where I was missing a caps shift key cap, and he actually had one spare, so he sent it to me for free, so thanks a lot, Noel, I really appreciate it. In that video I tried to print one, but I couldn't actually find the correct size, so this should be the correct size, and it's an original, so no 3D printed, and yeah, let's check it out, see if it fits. That's one thing that's great with the retro computer community, is that everybody is very helpful, and yeah, we send each other stuff if we have needs, or help each other with technical questions, things like that, so that's really great. Yeah, that fits perfectly. Nice. So now this machine is complete, except it's not working. I have ordered some parts that I'm gonna use to try and make the part 2, where I try to get it working again. We'll see about that later. By the way, if you haven't seen Noel's Retro Lab channel on YouTube, I suggest you subscribe to that channel right away. It's a great channel with lots of technical content if you're into that. So this package came from the Netherlands. Hi to all my viewers in the Netherlands. And this one too was sent from a fellow retro computer enthusiast, should I call him? His name is Bernardo Kastrup, and if you haven't heard about him, you should check out the channel The Byte Attic, and this is in fact something he has designed and got produced and sent to me for free, so I'm really excited about this. I'm not gonna explore this a lot in this video because there will be a separate video or maybe more than one videos about this later. Or maybe before this, I'm not really sure which happens first, we'll see. So let's open it up and see what it is. Yeah, it was pretty good packaging on this. Took a while to get because we recently had a really bad weather here in Norway, which resulted in a lot of floodings in the south part of Norway because of all the rain, and major roads and the railway was in fact blocked for several days, so took a while to get it, but here it is. Yeah, it came with a note: enjoy, Bernardo. Thanks a lot, Bernardo. Bernardo, aka the Byte Attic, he is a hardware computer engineer, and yeah, he designed this computer. This is in fact a whole computer, and it is the Agon Light computer, and this one is a special new edition called the Origins Edition. If you visit the Byte Attics YouTube channel, you will find a lot of information about this project and how we designed it. Jan Beta also had a video about the Agon Light, but this is the new edition, and it's 100% backward compatible, but it doesn't have any actual new capabilities. It's just a more professionally made revision, and yeah, since the first one was kind of a prototype edition, and this is yeah, more suitable for selling, I guess. So what is this computer, you might ask? Well, it's an open sourced 8-bit computer, and yeah, there's been a lot of development for this already. It uses a modern variant of the Z80 CPU that runs at about 18 megahertz. So I haven't really studied this machine that much yet, but obviously I will do. It also has its own ESP32 based video processor that's quite capable, as I understand it. It has a lot of GPIO ports which you can program, obviously. It has a VGA output, and also uses a SD memory card, which he already provided for me there. So this is a properly made 8-bit computer with all components modern, and it's based on professional design principle for computer architecture by Bernardo. It also has a USB connector, and yeah, that was VGA. It has audio connector and a PS2 for keyboard and mouse. So that's about what I'm gonna say about this computer. In this video I'll be making a detailed video about this, how to set it up and how to use it and what you can do with it later. Yeah, very nice gold print on the PCB, even signed by Bernardo Kastrup himself. That's pretty cool, I guess. A little bigger package here. This one was sent from Norway. It's actually a gift from a viewer, or he is in fact a member on my YouTube channel. You can actually join as a member on YouTube, as well as join Patreon if you want to support the channel. So I don't know what it is, so we'll see about that. Wow, really? Is this what it looks like? A replacement case for an Amiga 1200? If so, that's really amazing. Did not expect that at all. Better be careful not to cut the box then. No, it can't be. It must be just a box and he has put something else in it. We'll see. I put the paper there because it has my address written on it, but yeah, is it for real? Let's see if I can get this out. Oh my god, it is a replacement case and keep caps and springs for an Amiga 1200 from a 1200 net. That's amazing. I mean, these cost a lot, doesn't that? Wow. I really did not expect that. I mean, I have helped him a couple of times with some, yeah, questions about things, and also I 3D printed some stuff. He is an Amiga lover, I would say, and yeah, I recently 3D printed some parts for him. Yeah, I didn't charge for that, but obviously this was his payback then. So that's really nice. This case just looks amazing. I mean, I have an Amiga 1200 already. and that one was not in a particularly good shape. I mean the keyboard and the case, but fair enough, this one looks just amazing, and with all the keycaps. Do these come with the actual case, or is it some other source? I don't know. All the springs. That looks just great. So with this I can actually perhaps in the future build another Amiga 1200. That's great, and thanks a lot, Göran. His name is Göran. Very thankful and grateful about this. Really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Last package is this one, and this one came all the way from New Zealand, and it didn't actually take longer than usual. I mean, maybe even quicker than ordering from Europe. I bought this one on eBay. What is it? Yeah, look at that. That's from We Retro Design Limited. Thank you for your purchase. All right, some paper shedding. Yes, and this is something I need for my ZX Spectrum repair. The one I couldn't repair, and yeah. This is a ULA 82, and it's a ZX Spectrum ULA replica chip. The ULA chip in a ZX Spectrum is custom from Sinclair, and yeah, it's kind of hard to find both the originals that are still working and new modern replicas like this, so I actually needed to get it from New Zealand, but this one looks great. So I'm not going to test this in this video. I'm going to test this when I continue my repair for the ZX Spectrum that didn't work, and I'm still waiting for some other parts as well, so we'll see when that comes out. I'm not really sure. Anyway, that was it for this video. Just want to say thanks for watching, and a special thank you to my patrons. See you. Bye bye.